Global Finance School.
Bonds can simply be how a company wants to raise money to support its business or future endeavors. It can make use of bonds in a number of ways, including taking a loan out or getting the funds from the public or some other source. A company has the choice of paying the money back or following the guidelines set when it gained the capital. In this brief dialogue, we will take a look at a conversation between a business owner, Bob, and a banker.
Welcome to my office, Bob. What can I do for you this morning?
Well, I wanted to ask you about bonds. My father had invested in some. I wanted to get into it as well, but I really do not know that much about it. Could you go into it with as much detail as possible? I mean, I don't want to sit here and actually take a course in your office, but you catch my drift, right?
Of course I do. Let's jump right to it then. As you probably already know, a bond is something that a person or business will obtain by getting funds from a bank or the public. The interest on these bonds is just like the interest on anything else.
So what you are saying is that if I issue a par value of $10,000 bond certificate bearing 10% annual interest, and I wanted to sell it to you, then I could sell it to you for the $10,000 and you would receive an annual payment of $1,000?
That's correct. It may seem like a lot, but when people need the money, especially for businesses, they make it work for the best. But you have to understand that there are issues affecting interest rates, like time and risk. The longer a person has a bond, the higher the interest will be. And the more risk a financial institution makes on a bond, the higher the interest will be.
Then it is better if I have a great credit rating or business as well as a short-term payback?
Absolutely. You see, if you need money for your business, I will have you put a bond up through your business stating that you will pay back the loan by a certain date with interest. But unless we decide otherwise, I can sell that bond to anyone for the amount of the loan.
Wait, so you are saying that I will have to pay a totally different company back for the money that I borrowed from you?
That is correct. It isn't as complicated as you think. Bonds are one of the most uncomplicated systems in the banking world.
What if I want to buy a bond?
Well, Bob, you need to win the lottery or own a bank. No, just kidding. All you need to do is be willing to make a loan out to someone. In fact, bonds are traded on the stock market just like stocks are. Their prices are determined through supply and demand just like stock prices are. For instance, if you have bonds that people want, then the price of these bonds will skyrocket. However, if the demand for those go down, then the price will plummet.
Well, I will try to stay away from the bad bonds, although I suppose it can't be any worse than the horrible financial decisions I've made in the past.
Global Finance School.